Trying to drop my anchor. I got that on camera. Oh. That's a fat trout. All right, we got about 3 hours to fish. We're in the cove in Cypremort Point. We already got one fish in the chest, so we're keeping fish today. Kind of thought the sun was going to come out, but maybe this is going to help the fish turn on. Who knows? Let's see if we can get some more. Alright, let's turn around. They got some birds over here. There's one. Oh, going in the birds. Going in the birds. Back up. Those two a little small. This is why you should always have some lines tied in. That's a big one. This one got some pull to it. Gotta keep tension. Oh yeah. See if I can flip them in. Oh yeah, let me get this net. It's the biggest one of the day. Oh God. Damn, that's a big one in the birds. Wow. Almost lost him too. He's over 20, we gotta let him go. Look at that. Big trout. Oh, he's 19. This one's going in the box. Nice, man, nice. I'd show him to you longer, but still got work to do. That was a big trout, man, 19 inches. Jesus. I've never seen the birds feeding this long. Look at this. Look at all of them. Look how crazy this is. Oh. I got fish flopping everywhere. That's too small. Whoa. Monster. Tearing up the voodoo shrimp. There's one. Oh, yes. Ah, dang. Oh, this is what they're feeding on. Look at the whiskers. See if we can get this one out. They're eating shrimp over there. Look at that. Big trout. I don't know how many we have, maybe 6 or 7. We got a ways to go. See if we can get a limit. Just me, another boat, and another kayak out here. So crazy. See if we can get a 20-incher. There we go, right in the middle. Oh, it came off. I gotta tie a new jig head. That one popped. Knew I'd get a bird. He's not happy. See if I can get the pliers on him. There we go. I have to cut the line. Well, I just broke up the party. Seem to be dispersing. I mean, it's my fault. I'm literally casting in the birds. It's bound to happen. This is what we got so far in the chest. And we still got an hour and a half left. All right, guys, it's currently 5:50 p.m. and we got maybe an hour left to fish. I tried to find some more birds over here by the camps, but it doesn't look like any of them are diving. So we're gonna go back and try to find some more birds over here by the cove. He's gonna make it. You don't even have to fix your tail. Whew. Once I see that first lightning bolt, I'm out of here. Sometimes it pays to go fishing, even if it's just for a few hours. You just never know what's gonna be out here. I didn't expect to catch that many. I was just gonna try to catch a few. Ended up finding a big flock of seagulls diving on some shrimp. And instead of the trout being little baby trout, we actually had some nice size in the mix. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Was it crazy? A couple of hours fishing under the birds, and that's some easy fishing right there, but I'll take it. It was a productive afternoon for sure. So thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one.